Philip, we're going to start with a game that I call Guess That Tune. So find a song in your note reading made fun book that you've already learned, and we're
Oh,
going to guess which one it is.
I remember that game.
Yeah. So it has to be something you've already done, and then I have to guess what song it is. It sounds familiar. I think it's um um um
Don't
it's
look.
by Stargazing, right? Is it by Star? It's Sappy Tree.
Yeah,
Yes, got it. Good job, Philip. So I would like you to turn to page 41,
I know.
and we're going to play through Sunny Sunday.
The clouds up in the sky on a sunny Sunday. See the birds all flying by on their way to Monday.
That was awesome. Great job, Philip. Okay, now we're going to go into Firework. We're going to play Firework. So go ahead and take that out. Have a seat back where you were. How do we sit for piano? There we go. Let's try to stay right there. Find measure 29 and point to it. Perfect. You know where I am.
O part?
Yes. So we're going to start from Make 'em Go. That's in measure 28. So we're
I
going to
know.
start from. Can we start from there?
Okay. Making the no. Making the you're gonna live and fall
Okay, that was good. Your chords are really good, Philip. Your timing, the timing for all of your dotted half notes is really good. I can tell you hold it. How long do you hold dotted half notes for?
3 beats.
Very good. Okay. Bye, Philip.
Bye.